that a thing? Yeah. Are you sure?
2 days later, the next day.
Say nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Haley, say nice to meet you too.
Only just two. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's fine. Yeah. Okay.
Rapunzel. Hey, don't touch that. Rapunzel.
2 days later.
What are you guys doing?
Oh.
What are you doing?
Nothing. For each other's.
You know you have way too much time when you start doing this.
It's the famous Rainbow Road. Rainbow Road!
Wow, you actually did it.
Did you finish, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
So pretty.
Two views.
So blue.
As he's
She
standing
doesn't
over
know how to
the
do
track. Yeah. Did you look?
Yay.
1 week later.
Oh no, my battery is blinking. Oh no. Where are we going, guys?
To the beach.
To the beach. And you're so excited, huh? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Haley's so excited.
I'm not excited. I'm just me excited.
Just a little excited. Haley, hi.
Work those quads! Work those quads! Get stronger, there you go. Reminds me of this video I saw.
Uh-huh.
The weather and aftershot.
Yay, Haley. Good job.
Sand lion marble.
Wow, that looks perfect. You just need like a headrest.
Oh, there you go. She found a nice little corner. That actually looks pretty funny.
Leah, look out there. I just recorded like a short intro to my pregnancy announcement video. I am currently 30 weeks. What's wrong? She's not sharing?
Yeah.
Leah, Annie, can we do it together? Go, Super Haley, go, go, go. No. I'm in the middle of my 30th week. And the belly be bulging. I feel so big. And I am so big, it's crazy. I feel like I should be having this baby in like 2 weeks. But it's funny because I'm just barely looking at videos from May. And I was like, it was early May I think, and I was like in my 19th week. And I was like, I feel so big, blah blah blah. And at that time I really did. I really would always say, I feel like I'm 30 weeks pregnant, especially by the end of the day. But I was looking at the video and my stomach was like so small compared to what it is right now, which obviously makes sense. But anyway, right now I really do feel ginormous and so uncomfortable, and just, I feel like I have the body of like a 70-year-old.